Welcome back to Frank's Show, everybody. Right, as you can see, the Africa Twins engine is out and we'll be doing a top-end rebuild on that. Set of rings, valve stem seals, and get the valve slap, get that sorted out. And we'll put it back in the frame again. Then that's done. But our video for today will be on the Moto Guzzi. So I think, let me get the camera angle on that side and I'll quickly show you what we'll be doing on the exhaust system. So the bits of piping that I have is 90-degree stainless steel bends, and what I need to do is we need to fill the void from here up to the silencer on this side. So I have to do a bunch of measurements on here and make sure that they are equal on both sides. But we'll be taking an old header, getting that in, and then start building the bends around that. So on this side I'll actually split it up, put a thin piece of metal in so that I can do a proper braze on it, and then get that sorted out. So hopefully we'll get that finished today, and I have scheduled that for today. So let's carry on with that one, and then we'll see on our next update on the video how we progress with that one. So up next for us today is I'll be taking the left-hand exhaust pipe that I've already started building, assembling out of basically this pipe bends and some straights. Almost done with this one. I'll show you the end result when we're finished with them. So this will go in, and I've fabricated them that they are a bit tapered on this side, and they will slot into the exhaust system like that. So that'll give us our angle. So I think let's carry on. I need to finalize grinding of this one, do a bit more fabrication on it, and I'll do it in time lapse, and then we can carry on with that one. Cool. For those of you that don't know, this is what the original exhaust system looked like. And as I said on the previous video, the exhaust system will become all matte black. So let me just walk around quickly. Looks like an old Suzuki GT200. But this was the original pipe. Looks horrible. So this is what we are moving towards. Can't really see it clearly, but I'll finish this side up and I'll do another video. Then you can have a look at what the end result is. Cool. Let's carry on. Welcome back, everybody. It's the next day. We'll be fastening the exhaust systems. There's a clamp on this side outstanding. I'll get that clamp, and I'll get a spring on this side. So we'll do it in time lapse. I'm going to be measuring it exact height on both sides. So let's carry on with that one. Okay, well, that concludes the fabrication of the exhaust system. There's obviously still a bit of lining up that I will do afterwards, but I'm happy with this result at the moment. The pipes have been done. The next step for me will be to build the tank bracket, and then I'll fasten the tailpiece. That has to be done, and then we'll do the seat. The seat will be completely custom built. It's going to be a fiberglass build. I've never done one of these, but it'll be my first time. So yeah, I think let's get cracking on that one. That will be the video for next week, and we'll do the Africa Twin segment just after this video. There's a lot of work on the Africa Twin as well. You've seen the video start with the Africa Twin, but yeah, more on that afterwards. Okay. Thanks for subscribing, supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. Hope you learned something from it. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.